Hello, here we meet again. There's a new guitar here that I'm really curious about. First, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Probably the worst way. Kind of fun. Honestly, it's kind of what I need to do, I think. That was close. Ta-da! All right, so it's a small guitar. Cool. Good for onboard a plane. Now I'm really curious. So this is a carbon guitar. It's an inexpensive instrument compared to other guitars. I think it's around the $400 mark ish, plus minus. Let's check it out. I'm really curious. I heard good things about the sound, but let's be real, we have to hear it. Alright, so... Okay, sorry. Alright. Yeah. It's a pretty light guitar compared to its, Gibson friends. It's kind of slick, actually. It has like a little bit of a vibe. Yeah, let's check it out. It has what I heard is really cool about it, and I'm really curious if it works well. There's an onboard microphone, so you don't actually need to bring an amp. You can actually record some loops and have effects and all this kind of stuff using their app. So first of all, let's make sure it feels good, it sounds good through the amp, just regular guitar vibes. I think that's really important, and then we can kind of get into all the tech and stuff, which I think it's cool. I especially like the idea of, this kind of speaker. I'm right now in a situation that in the hospital because my boy, and having no amp, that would be really nice to have, just this kind of stuff. So let's hear it out. All right, so the Nova Sonic has what looks like two humbuckers. I think that's their own version. We can compare it later. Looking here, at the ports, there are three ports basically. There's a USB, there's an 1/8 inch, which is I guess a headphone, and then 1/4 inch cable. So okay, let's just hear how it sounds. Start there. I'm really curious. If it's cool, it's a great thing because I do like inexpensive, great guitars. And if it's one of them, I'll be very happy. Super cool. Wait, what? This actually feels amazing. I very much like the smoothness of the body as well. It's kind of soft and really nice. So, yeah, this is literally the first time I played this guitar. I don't know. I mean, this is like around less than 500. It's like around $400 mark. It's kind of annoying because it feels really great. I'm like, wow, I'm enjoying this maybe not less than I enjoyed playing my $6,500 or euro custom-made guitar. It's kind of crazy. I mean, okay, it's a different sound, it's a different instrument, but I'm playing this for about 30 seconds and it feels great. So first of all, wow, good job, guys. This is really awesome. Let me play it a little more to hear what it actually feels like. Maybe I'm just tripping. Let's hear it. This is a cool instrument. This is legitimately a good guitar. I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm a little upset. Just it's really nice, and I'm curious. Yeah, it's carbon, but it feels good. Honestly, like I feel like I can just play this guitar on a tour and be super happy. And literally, I'm considering taking it to the hospital because it has the speaker here. And honestly, I didn't know that's how I'll feel because I was very skeptical. I was not sure if I wanted to check this guitar out. And I was also thinking that once I'll check it out, I'll probably donate to a friend. But I like it a lot. So I don't know if I can donate it now. I might, but we'll see. It's a really good instrument. It's really nice. Okay, let's check the pickups, and then let's look a little bit into the cool stuff in it. So pickups first. So we have some things here. Yes. Oh, there's a pull. Not sure what I just did. So I guess we have the neck. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Sorry, I'm discovering a little bit. I didn't read the manual. So neck pickup. We have single or double coil. Really nice sound. And then the double, both kind of the humbucker sound. Let's see what happens if you have distortion. The distortion sound is cool. I mean, it's my pedal, but the way it responds to it is like kind of heavier than I remembered my guitar. This is the bright setting with distortion. I guess with each one there is single or double coil. This is both pickups. Yeah, it sounds cool. I do like the warmer sound a little bit more. Let's see how it sounds a little bit. Playing some other stuff. 1 second. So I'm just kind of trying to play some ideas on a jazz standard. So it feels very comfortable, and two things that I'm starting to notice. This guitar is kind of set up for a lot of comfort. The neck is super straight, the action is low, and also the bridge feels very much straight. So there's no radius. Usually in a lot of jazz guitars, a lot of guitars actually, there's a little bit of radius on the bridge here, which is not the case. So it makes it feel like either a classical guitar, which is great, or a shred guitar, which is also great. Really curious. If I ask you to close your eyes, would you know that this is a carbon guitar? Just check this out. I don't know if I would know. Yeah, I mean, this is awesome. This is really cool. Again, for me, this feels not too far from the SG in terms of intention and color. Of course, it's not the same guitar, different instrument, different physics a little bit, but it's, I mean, I don't know. I've never seen something in this price range that was even close to that. The tuning pegs also feel good. Yeah, and yeah, good job. Really good job. Okay, cool. So let's see how we can connect this speaker. I'm really curious of the sound of that. If I'm connected to the amp, which I am right now, just regular guitar vibe, the speaker won't work. But if I disconnect it, boom, if I'm disconnecting, ta-da, the guitar will start working. Now, this is on and off basically. Now for 5 minutes, I was trying to understand what I'm doing wrong. And if it's off, you need to turn it on. So a long press here, which will bring you to the guitar. And it's actually, I don't know if you hear it that well, so I hope you do. So this is nothing electric happening from the speaker, no output, and then have a little volume knob here, which is really smooth actually, to get this speaker sound. So this is the first sound. There are 4 basic sounds, but you can also mess around with more presets using the app on your phone or on the laptop. So right now, this is the first setting. Check this out. So this is the first setting, and I can also change still the pickup settings while using the first kind of like, I guess, amp and a little bit, a tad of drive. Another click will bring me to a little more drive, which is actually sounding really cool. Vibe. Yeah, they kind of nailed that sound, a little bit more distortion, good vibe. This is the 4th sound. Just more reverb. Definitely cool vibes. I mean, this is coming from this little speaker. This is quite amazing. And of course, now it kind of feels loud. I can probably tone it down a little bit, especially if I'm just in my hospital practicing by myself when my baby is asleep, hopefully. Yeah, really cool vibe. And then another click, you go back to the first setting, and you can use the app again on the phone or on the desktop to get more customizable sounds and effects. You can also use the speaker here as a Bluetooth, so you can use your phone, connect this as a regular basically speaker, and play music on that while you practice. So you can play a jam track from YouTube or your phone, basically whatever you want, and hear it on the guitar and practice. And there are more tricks you can do, some loops and different things of that nature. Super cool. So honestly, it's a really good working machine if you don't want to bring anything on vacation or just traveling, or if you're in hospital. Hopefully you're not. It's a little heavy, but kind of cool. But this is a surprisingly great instrument. I really like that the price tag on this is not expensive. I really like the idea of making good stuff that is not expensive so people can create with comfort. It's a very comfortable instrument. It's very versatile. Yeah, I mean, it is a carbon guitar, but it actually sounds great. I don't know. I'm scared of carbon guitars. I don't like the vibe in general. I think some of them don't sound good and don't feel as good, but this is really cool.